Hello and welcome everybody. Glad to see that you have joined us for another Google Sheets tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can use a Vlookup formula to search for specific values using a vertical lookup. What the Vlookup formula does is it searches down the first column of a range for a specific search key and then returns the value of a specified cell in the row found. In this example, I'm looking for the customer IDs that match with the customer name. You see that I've listed all the customer names in column A, and I want the matching customer ID in column B. The customer IDs are in another tab listed under column C. What we want to do is start the Vlookup formula by entering a specific search key. In this example, it's cell A2 containing the name Irene Maddox. This is the value that it will search for in a specific range that we have to fill in now. The range, as I mentioned before, is in a different tab. So we'll go to that tab and select the columns we want to include in our search. In this example, A, B, and C. As it contains both the customer names and the customer IDs. Next, we have to fill in the index number. And the index number is the number of the column of the value that needs to be returned. So in this case, it's column C. How do you know the number? Well, the first column named in your range is column 1, is 1. So we have to count up to 3. A, B, C is 3. Okay, so index number 3. And next we have to state if the range is sorted or not. If you enter true or you just omit, then it will also bring up the nearest match. It will also return that value in case it doesn't find the search key. Well, for our example, that's not necessary, so we'll just fill in false. Okay. Then we close the brackets and press enter to perform the formula. And you will see that the matching customer ID to the name Irene Maddox will be showed. To return all the customer IDs for all the rows beneath, you just double click the little square in the right bottom corner. Okay, so now you can see that all the customer IDs matching the names are listed correctly. Well, good luck with using the Vlookup formula, and hopefully we'll see you soon for another tutorial. Bye.